Hi guys, so today I've got an unboxing. So yeah, to me, probably can't really tell, but I've scribbled it all out except for my name. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I know what this one is, and it's skateboard related, which probably means you can guess what it is too. But I'm going to do a nice little quick unboxing anyway, because I feel like adding another video, so okay, I've done that wrong. Just cut it. Just bear with me. Yeah, I'm sure I know what this one is. Okay, so the first thing we've got, is what I bought, and it's just on about refund exchange and all that. And the actual thing, you can guess what it is. You can see it because of my fisheye, but that's all that's in there. It is a nice sheet of jessup for my skateboard. So I've never actually had jessup, so this is going to be sick. Just take the stickers off. Just want to see what it's like. I'll just cut this one. Just a nice plain sheet of jessup. And that's it. So yeah, this is the... Sorry, I've got a spinny chair now. Can't really see it, but it's a grip tape that's always really shiny, which is quite good. And yeah, so I got some jessup. So thanks for watching. I'm sorry it's only a very quick video, but I've got another unboxing I'm doing now, and I'll upload that one tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.